What if I told you the ancient Egyptians might have harnessed electricity 2,000 years before modern science? The truth behind the Baghdad battery will shock you. Buried beneath the sands of Mesopotamia, a mysterious artifact was discovered in 1936: a small clay jar, an iron rod, and a copper cylinder. When filled with an acidic liquid, it could produce an electric current. Was this the world's first battery? Or is there a darker, more secretive explanation? Today, we dive into one of history's greatest enigmas, the Baghdad battery. Did ancient civilizations possess knowledge of electricity long before we thought possible? Let's uncover the truth. 1. The discovery of the Baghdad battery. In 1936, German archaeologist Wilhelm Knig unearthed a strange artifact near Baghdad. It was a 5-inch clay jar containing a copper cylinder and an iron rod. At first glance, it seemed unremarkable until scientists realized its potential. When filled with vinegar or lemon juice, both acidic, the device could generate up to 2 volts of electricity. But here's the real question. Was this an ancient battery or something else entirely? 2. The shocking possibility: ancient electroplating. Some researchers believe the Baghdad battery was used for electroplating coating objects with a thin layer of metal. Ancient Egyptians and Mesopotamians were known for their gold-plated artifacts. Could they have used primitive batteries to achieve this? Evidence 4. Similar artifacts found in Egypt suggest knowledge of basic chemistry. The dendera, a controversial Egyptian hieroglyph, appears to depict an electric bulb. Ancient texts mention shining stones and divine light. Evidence against. No wires or conductors have been found near the batteries. No clear documentation of electricity in ancient records. 3. The skeptic's argument: just a storage jar. Not everyone believes in the ancient battery theory. Some argue it was simply a storage vessel for sacred scrolls, and the acidic residue was from decomposed papyrus. Others claim it was used for religious rituals, perhaps to deliver small electric shocks as part of a mystical experience. 4. The bigger mystery: lost ancient technology. If the Baghdad battery was used for electricity, it raises an even bigger question. How much did ancient civilizations really know? The Antikythera mechanism, an ancient Greek computer, proves advanced engineering existed. The Great Pyramid's precise construction still baffles scientists. Could electricity have been a guarded secret, lost to time? If the Baghdad battery was real, why don't we see more evidence of ancient electrical devices? Did this knowledge disappear, or was it deliberately suppressed? We examine 3 possibilities. Accidental discovery: forgotten over time. Maybe ancient people stumbled upon electricity but never fully understood it. Without written records, the knowledge faded. Religious or elite secrecy: priests or rulers may have kept it hidden to maintain power. The dendera light could symbolize forbidden knowledge. Misinterpretation by modern scientists: could we be overanalyzing an ordinary object? The most chilling theory: that ancient civilizations had advanced technology, possibly even more sophisticated than ours, but it was lost in a global catastrophe. The Baghdad battery might just be a surviving fragment of a forgotten science. The Baghdad battery remains one of history's greatest unsolved puzzles. Whether it was an ancient power source, a religious artifact, or just a storage jar, it forces us to question everything we know about the past. One thing's for sure: our ancestors were far more advanced than we give them credit for. If you think this was mind-blowing, wait until you hear about the Antikythera mechanism. Click the next video to uncover another ancient mystery.